Hi, I'm Dana, and this is Highly Delicious. As you know, in February, we all love to celebrate Valentine's Day. It has been celebrated for eons, and today I am celebrating with my family's traditional version of Valentine's. My mother used to make us a meal where everything just screamed the holiday's name. And in this case, it's Valentine's Day. So the segment that we are working on today is our salad. A salad to me is one of the finest parts of the meal because it certainly starts all of the activation of your juices. And we're going to start our juices being activated with a tasting of beets. Beets are a phenomenal fruit. I couldn't stand them when I was a kid. Absolutely love them as an adult. I like them pickled. I like to cook with them. I like all sorts of things. And today, I like decorating with them. I'm going to turn pickled beets, one of Dean's favorites, into a little heart salad. Heartfelt. From mine to his. You don't have to be an artist, trust me. You just have to have a little will and imagination to create this fancy little plate. See, I have a heart. I'm not going for an award. I'm just going for an appetizing look. Sharp little knife helps you to create the semblance of a heart. Oh, I love it. And what I'm going to do with all those extra little beet pieces that I've gotten, trying to come up with the perfect heart here, I'm going to put those back into my salad. So nothing is going to go to waste. All right. So we have our little hearts done. Now we're going to add some lettuce. Just kind of sprig it in there. Let your creative juices flow. There is nothing right or wrong about how you create a salad. Let's take some of these delicious cherry tomatoes. Add in a few blackberries. I'm going with my odd number. I seem to have a thing for odd numbers. I'm going to put a little bit of the crackers over to the side here. Set this down and work on my RSO infused raspberry dressing. Just a tad of RSO, because remember, we have a full meal already cooked with marijuana. And the whole idea is not just to enjoy the relaxation of RSO or of the cannabis plant, but also to use it for its healing qualities. And you know what they say, too much of anything is not a good thing. Another emphasis that I really want to make continuously is that you don't decide how much cannabis to use based on what I use. Do it based on what your body tells you works for it. That's one of my favorite parts of working with my physician, Dr. Tate, with this, is that she has realized also that cannabis is a fingerprint to you. It wants to match up to your print. You have to introduce it into your body. You have to make that hosting possible. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my infused raspberry dressing. Let me move this over closer to you. I just chopped up some of those beets for color. And you know, ever since I have been making RSO and using the syringes for storage, which is very handy, especially when I want to put it into a capsule. I can then take it from the syringe into a capsule. I have discovered that it works in a lot of different ways as well. I don't believe that anything and everything has just one purpose. It's amazing how creative we can get. All right, add a little bit of juice to our beets, and there we have a delicious beet salad minus one cracker. And so with that, we can begin the next segment of our meal, the salad. Hearts and health, all in one. Just like cannabis and health go hand in hand. Happy Valentine's Day to you, and thank you so much.